Hello again, little artists. Today we are studying Njideka Akunyili Crosby, and she is a contemporary artist that is working today, and she works mainly in collage. And this is a copy of her work called Dwell Aso Ibi. And like we talked about in class, most of her artwork has her in it or somebody in her family, and then also incorporates family pictures and fabrics that are important to her. And sometimes she copies over printings of other photos. And if you look really close in some of her pictures, it's just a collage of a whole bunch of pictures put together that looks like a pattern of maybe wallpaper or upholstery on the chair or things like that, or even the clothing that she's wearing sometimes is real fabric. So the collage that we're going to be making today will be similar to this style, but I want you guys to make it personal to you. So I've asked you to bring in a family photo of your family. So I will just set this aside for now. And here's my family photo from last year. And then I went ahead and took a magazine and cut up a bunch of pictures of things that reminded me of things in our family. So in our family, we really like plants and flowers and things like that. And then I did find some chairs and a table that are somewhat reminiscent of what she's got furniture in her, or a lot of her artwork. And then just sort of creating a space with the collage pieces that you find in either the magazines or scraps of fabric. I found some fabric, and I went ahead and cut out some of the designs ahead of time to save time for you guys today. And then, again, more pictures of trees and leaves. So I wanted to try to create a quick collage today for you guys that, for me, in my house, we like to have kind of green space on the inside and the outside. So I'm going to try and combine a look that looks like you can't tell if it's interior or exterior, using pictures of plants and some things like that. And then I'll go ahead and I pre-cut all the things that I'm going to use, but you guys are going to have magazines and scraps of fabric and markers and crayons and all sorts of things to create yours. So I'm just going to fast forward through mine as I glue it all together and show you what it looks like, and then set you guys off to do your own. And I just want you to explore your creativity through picking, the different things that might be fun for textures for you, colors maybe that you like or your family likes, and then figure out a way that will incorporate your family picture, interestingly. So I'm going to put mine kind of like a photo on the wall. In a way, remember, I'm going to try and make an indoor-outdoor looking collage. So here her family picture is a printout that is glued on her, what would be her wall, and go from there.
We're all singing hallelujah. Ain't no worries holding me. We're all singing hallelujah. Yeah, my Savior set me free. Yeah, my Savior set me free.
Okay, and I think that's all the layers of cutout things I'm going to put in there. So I'm going to just draw a little something in there, and then see if you guys can figure out what it is to finish it off. Some more things that are kind of special to our family.
Set me free. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my Savior set me free. He set me free. My Savior set me free. I know I'm free indeed. Yeah, my Savior set me free.
Okay, then I'm all done. Thanks for making a collage with me today in the style of a contemporary artist, Njideka Akunyili Crosby. Thanks so much. Bye.